Lady Grey Lemonade. A light, refreshing, sophisticated beverage for when you want to drink a classic half and half, but also need to feel dainty and sophisticated. Start by brewing a cup of Lady Grey tea. It's got all the familiar flavors of Earl Grey tea with the addition of lemon peels that are going to give it a lighter, fruitier flavor that will gently pair with our lemonade later on. 1 cup of tea will be enough to make 2 finished mocktails. Once the tea is steeped but still warm, go ahead and mix in a tablespoon of honey. Once your tea is cooled down, fill your glass with crushed ice and add enough lemonade to fill it up about 3/4 of the way full. This can be made with either fresh lemonade or the packaged stuff. And if you're going to use the packaged stuff, I like to add about 1/2 ounce of lemon juice and just a pinch of salt. Fill your glass the rest of the way with tea. It should take about half of that cup we just brewed, and then garnish with something fancy. I've got some lavender flower heads to put in, but whatever gets you clutching your pearls and putting your sun hats on.